fine. So today, what day is today, everyone? Today is, yes, correct. Today is Friday. Yeah, Friday, July 2nd, 2021. Okay. So every Friday, right? I hope that you are doing great for today because this is the end. It is the weekend. Because tomorrow and after tomorrow you will have a day off, right? Okay. So I hope that if you they are also, please don't go somewhere, please stay at home because of the coronavirus. Okay, so don't go somewhere, be afraid of it. This is a very important for you if you stay inside the class. Sorry, if you stay inside your house. And then if you want to go somewhere, it's okay, but you have to protect. Like you have to wear a mask and clean your hand often, and you use the alcohol spray on your hand, something like that. Okay. So this one is say about if you want to go somewhere. So today is Friday. So based on the schedule every Friday, you are going to learn about listening starter 2 for the first session. Am I correct, student? Okay. So good. So for this, unit 11. They say packing before a trip. Mean you prepare something, you're preparing before your trip, right? You're packing something in your suitcase before you go on trip. Okay, so now, today also you are going to learn about page 73. But before you move to page 73, you have to do some review because we have text word that you have to do the review for today. Okay, like the word suitcase. Do you know the word suitcase? Before you go on trip, you go to trip, you have to pack something in the suitcase. You carry it, okay? Carry, yes, carry is the whole carry, okay? Pants, yes, pants, trousers or pants. Passport, yeah, if you want to go to the airport, you have to have passport. This one is official, yeah, official letter that show you place a birth, right? Passport. And then this one is say about drawers. You put something and you keep something in drawers. So before you go somewhere, you take like trouser or sock or something from the drawers to pack on the suitcase, right? This one is say pack, yeah, pack. So now suitcase, carry, pen, passport, drawers, and pack. Okay. So now, students, please move to page 73 altogether. So open your book right now, student. As you can see, page 73, you have like 3 parts. Part A and also part B, part C. But today, I raised up only 2 parts, part A and part B. For this one, it's about listening, practice 1 in unit 11, okay? So, part A, they say listen and circle the word you hear. Mean the word you hear, you have to circle it, okay? Listen and circle the word you hear in unit 11. So number 1, did you pack a pair of sock or pants? Okay, so the word you hear, sock or pants, okay? And number 2, can you get some sock out of the suitcase or drawer, right? And number 3, I will pick some clothes for you. So pack or pick. Understand? Number 1, sock or pen. Number 2, suitcase or drawers. Number 3, pack or pick. And then you move to part B. Listen and write the letters that match the pictures. So this one, I don't want to mention might because this is the you can hear the letter, you might get the number of the picture here. I have to explain you you open your book. Okay, picture 1, it is very hard to pack, to insert, to put in the backpack, in the suitcase, right? It's very hard because it's bigger than suitcase. And number 2, yes, carry a backpack to the bus station, to the bus stop or to the bus stop or airplane. Okay, in here you can see. one man and one boys, one man and one girl, right? Oh, one. So this one is one man and one boy. Okay, so when the boy carried the backpack, maybe so happy, so mean that he let the man have him to carry a backpack to the bus stop. And move to other one, number 3. This one is a passport. Yeah, passport in the bag. Passport in the bag. And other one is he packed everything but he forget a pen. He packed everything but he forget a pen. So picture 1. Picture 2 and picture 3, picture 4. After you listen, you can write the letter that match the picture. When you hear the sentence that match the picture, you can write the letter. Understand what I mean, student? Okay, so again, student, for the first one, listen and circle the word you hear. And the second one, listen, write the letter that matches the picture. So now start to listen, student. You can spend some time like 5 minutes to do the listening for 2, A and B, and after that you do just circle and then you mark the letter with me. So now start to listen.
A. Listen and circle the word you hear. 1.
Did you pack a pair of pants?
2. Can you get some socks out of the drawer? 3.
I will pack some clothes for you.
B. Listen. Write the letter that matches the picture. A.
You will need your passport.
B. Will you carry my suitcase to the bus stop, please? C.
You'll need to pack these pants.
D. It is difficult to shut her suitcase.
Yes, thank you very much, student, for your listening. Okay, so after you do the listening already, you can know the answer, right? So can you tell me the answer, student, please? So number 1, what, student? Did you pack a pair of shorts or pants? So can you tell me right now? Okay. Yes, great. Yes. Did you pack a pair of pants? This one is the correct answer. Okay. You are very good, student. Pants, not short. Okay. The word you hear. And can you tell me number 2, please? Can you get some straw out of the suitcase or drawer? So which one, student? Okay. Yes, correct. The correct answer is drawer. Yeah, drawer. Is this the correct answer based on you hear, you have listened at the moment, right? So now, yes, very good, student. And move to number 3. Can you tell me, please? I will pack a pig. Some clothes for you. So pick or pack? Pack or pick? Pick means, yes, you pick it up, okay? And then pack, yes, you do something. So this one is say, you prepare something like, I will pack. This one is the correct answer, yes. So number 1 is pen, number 2 drawers, and number 3 pack. Is this the correct answer? Very good, student. Okay, so right now, move to part B. You have listened already. You know, A and B, we play the listening at the same time, so that's why. Okay, this one is also clear, right? So now, number one, it is really difficult to insert some clothes in the suitcase. So this one is letter D. Number 1 with letter D, okay. Can you see right now? Letter D, clear, student? Okay, so now move to number 2. Just number 2. Can you help me to carry a backpack? Sorry, to carry a suitcase to the bus stop or to the airplane? Can you help me, please? So with letter B. This one is with letter B, okay. Okay, so move to other one, number 3. Number 3, just you don't forget to to take or to bring a passport with you, because when you want to go to the airport, you have to have a passport. So this one with letter A, yes, letter A. Okay, and the last one is letter C. It's very the boy is everything is packing already, but he forget one is a pen. So he said he also pack a pen. Yeah, he also pack a pen in the suitcase. Also, so this one is letter C. Yes. So number 1 D, number 2 B, number 3 A, and number 4 C. Okay, do you understand, student? Do you clear about that? So this one is A. Listen and circle the word you hear. So the word number 1, you circle pen. Number 2, you circle travel. Number 3, you circle pack. And okay, letter B. Listen and write a letter that might be picture. Number 1, letter E. Number 2, letter B. Number 3, letter A. And number 4, letter C. Okay. So today also you have to review 6 vocabulary in here, 6 words in here, and then you have to do 2 listening, like part A and part B on page 73. So student, if you don't clear about that, you can listen again and again, or ask the homeroom teacher. The homeroom teacher will tell you clear about that. And don't forget to do the classwork and homework and send to your homeroom teacher also. Okay, thank you very much for the first session. So wait for the next video, second session, student.